Hello, it's Candace here. I'm just working on repainting an old cream can that we found on our property before we started renovating it, and it's something that's kind of rare, and I think that it will be nice as like a decorative feature in our house or like at our entranceway. So here's a look at it. So I've just finished the coats of the spray paint on the can, and this is a color that I chose. Yeah, it's like a nautical blue chalk paint by Rust-Oleum. It's just a spray paint, and I've done a couple coats of it on there. I'm just waiting for it to dry to make it more accustomed to our family name and for our house. I have a logo that I have designed that I'm going to put on the front of this cream can, and it's going to have our last name as well as a wild rose, and yeah, I'm going to use it for putting some floral arrangements in, or maybe a potted plant for our house when it's finished. So I'm excited for that. I'm looking forward to having it in our house. So the next thing I did is I took this print off of our last name with the font that I like, and what I did was on the back side I went over it with pencil so that I could just stick it onto the cream can and go over top of it with pencil, and it left this pencil mark with the writing on it. I'll just hold it up so you can see it. And that's what I'm going to paint on. So I have the outline of our name, and then I also went and took this drawing of this wild rose that I did yesterday, and I did the same thing on the back, traced over it on the front, and it left the markings for where I'm going to paint. I took that extra step to trace onto where I want to paint, because I don't want to have to worry about the positioning of the name and the rose being in the wrong place after I finish painting. I'm using golden white, and I will be doing the flower later with golden paints as well. Golden paints are good because they are very high pigmented and pretty thick, so I'm getting good coverage on here. Alright, I'm here in my kitchen, and I just finished the painting on this flower pot, and I like how it looks. Here we go. So I showed you guys how the painting turned out on the pot, and I'm really happy with it, and I wanted to take it one step further today, so I went down to Lowe's and I got myself some succulents, and I put them in a planter, and it fits just perfectly. So I can't wait to show you the finished product of all my hard work today. Just want to get a good shot of it. There it is. The painting turned out really nicely with the wild rose and Senko. The succulents are just planted in this 8-inch pot. It fits right in the hole. So I'm really happy with it. So thanks again everyone for following along with me. I hope it inspires you to do something with the things you have hanging around your house. See you next time.